Next question. You need to find the area of triangle formed by okay, so we have 3 points. So out of these 3 points we can make one triangle. Okay, so here x1, x2 and x3 will be, x1 will be 3, x2 will be 3 only, and x3 will be 11, and y1, y2, y3 will be 2, 10 and 2. Why am I writing in this form? Because we have a formula for area of triangle which is half into modulus of x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 mod. Clear? So now we'll simply put the value. So half of x1 is 3, y2 is 10 and y3 is 2. So 10 minus 2 plus x2 is 3, y3 is 2, y1 is 2 only, so 2 minus 2 plus x3 is 11 and y1 is 2 and y2 is 10, so 2 minus 10 sign of mod. This will be equal to half of, so 10 minus 2, 8 into 3, 10 minus 2 is 8 into 3, this will be equal to 24. 2 minus 2 is 0, 0 multiplied by any number will result in 0 only. Okay, so 2 minus 2 is 0 into 3 is 0 plus 2 minus 10, 2 minus 10 is minus 8, minus 8 multiplied by 11 will give me minus 88. Okay, so 2 minus 10 is minus 8 into 11 I have minus 88. Clear? So this will be half of 24 minus 88. Okay, so this will become half of modulus of, now I have a sign of minus, so 8 minus 4 is 4, 8 minus 2 is 6, I have 64. Okay, the modulus will change this negative sign into positive because we cannot have area in terms of negative sign. Okay, so half of 64 will cancel this part, so area will be 32 units. Clear? So we can use this formula to calculate area of a triangle formed by these 3 points.